Hello, everyone. Let's talk about something that can truly shift the way you experience life. Have you ever wondered how your thoughts shape your reality? Well, today, I want to share something powerful, the profound impact of entertaining noble thoughts. When you consistently nurture positive, uplifting thoughts, they have the power to transform your life in ways you may not even expect. You see, the mind is an incredibly powerful tool. It shapes your world, your experiences, your relationships, and your reality. But what if I told you that the quality of your thoughts determines the quality of your life? When you entertain noble thoughts, thoughts that are kind, loving, generous, and filled with integrity, you align yourself with the higher frequencies of life. And when you align with these frequencies, the universe responds in kind. The first thing to understand is that your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas in your mind. They are powerful forces that send ripples through the fabric of reality. Every thought you have is like a seed you plant in the soil of your subconscious. And just like a seed, it will grow and eventually bear fruit. If you plant seeds of love, compassion, and wisdom, the fruits of your life will reflect these qualities. On the other hand, if you allow negativity, anger, or fear to dominate your mind, you will experience the consequences of those thoughts in your reality. This is not some abstract concept, it's a universal law. What you entertain in your mind, you ultimately attract into your life. If you are constantly thinking about abundance, health, and love, your life will begin to mirror those very things. It's not magic, it's the natural result of consistently aligning your thoughts with what you desire. But how do you entertain noble thoughts, especially when the world around you may seem filled with challenges, struggles, and negativity? It starts with becoming aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself. Are they full of doubt, fear, and limitation? Or are they filled with hope, possibility, and faith? The key is not to deny the challenges of life but to rise above them with a mindset that is focused on the positive, the possible, and the noble. When you entertain noble thoughts, you are not ignoring the difficulties of life. Instead, you are choosing to look beyond them. You're focusing on the bigger picture, the possibility of a better future, the power of your imagination, and the love that is always available to you. This shift in perspective is what makes all the difference. One of the most profound ways to change your life is by practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you shift your energy. Gratitude brings you into alignment with abundance. It's impossible to feel both gratitude and lack at the same time. So, every time you catch yourself thinking negatively or feeling overwhelmed, pause and shift your focus to something you are grateful for. It could be the beauty of nature, the love of family, or even something as simple as the warmth of a cup of tea. The more you practice gratitude, the more you open yourself to receiving more of the good things life has to offer. Now, you may be wondering how long it will take for these noble thoughts to manifest in your life. The answer is simple: they are already working. The moment you choose to entertain higher thoughts, the seeds have been planted. But the key is persistence. You must continue to nurture these thoughts, even when it seems like nothing is changing. The world around you may not change immediately, but trust that the shift is happening within you first. And once that internal shift takes place, your outer world will begin to reflect it. This is where many people go wrong. They expect instant results. But remember, growth takes time. Just like a tree takes time to grow from a tiny seed, so too do your noble thoughts take time to take root and blossom into tangible results. But rest assured, they will. Another important aspect of entertaining noble thoughts is the impact it has on your relationships. When you constantly think noble thoughts, your interactions with others become more positive and harmonious. People will begin to reflect back to you the love and kindness you are radiating. You will attract like-minded individuals who share your values and desires. And even those who are not on the same wavelength will start to respond differently to you. When you walk through the world with noble thoughts in your heart, you become a magnet for goodness. It's important to note that entertaining noble thoughts doesn't mean you ignore or suppress negative emotions. It means you choose to acknowledge those emotions without allowing them to control your reality. You can feel sadness, anger, or frustration without letting them define you or dictate your actions. By choosing to rise above these emotions and focus on more noble thoughts, you are aligning yourself with a higher level of being. Think about the last time you faced a difficult situation. How did your thoughts influence your response? Did you approach the situation with fear or frustration, or did you choose to look for the silver lining, for the lesson, or for the opportunity in it? The more you practice shifting your thoughts to higher ground, the easier it becomes to navigate life's challenges with grace and strength. One of the most powerful tools in changing your thoughts is visualization. Take a moment each day to close your eyes and imagine the life you desire. Picture yourself surrounded by love, success, and peace. See yourself achieving your goals, living in abundance, and enjoying vibrant health. Feel the emotions associated with these experiences as if they are already happening. The more vividly you can visualize these experiences, the more you align your thoughts with the reality you wish to create. In fact, the more you entertain noble thoughts and focus on the possibilities rather than the limitations, the more your subconscious mind begins to accept those possibilities as your new reality. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil, it will accept any seed you plant. So, be intentional about the seeds you plant. One of the most profound realizations is that the universe responds to your thoughts with the same energy you put into them. When you think in terms of abundance, you open yourself to receive abundance. When you think in terms of love, you open yourself to experience love in all areas of your life. The law of attraction is not just a buzzword, it's a law that governs our lives, whether we are conscious of it or not. The truth is, when you entertain noble thoughts, you align yourself with the divine flow of the universe. You become a channel for goodness, abundance, and love. And as you continue to focus on noble thoughts, you begin to see the world around you shift. What was once a source of struggle may become a source of growth. What was once a problem may become a blessing in disguise. So, take a moment right now to reflect on the thoughts you are entertaining. Are they serving you? Are they helping you align with your highest potential? If not, it's time to make a change. Choose to entertain thoughts that are in harmony with the life you want to create. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every time you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, gently shift it towards something more positive, more loving, and more noble. And as you do, you will begin to see your world transform. A crucial part of this process is learning to let go of the need for external validation. Often, we wait for the world to change before we change our thoughts, but the truth is that the world will begin to change only when we change our thinking first. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that we need to see results before we can believe in the power of our thoughts. But the truth is that noble thoughts create their own momentum. As you continue to focus on them, you'll find that the world around you starts to align with your mindset, even before you can see the evidence of it. This is where faith comes into play. Faith is the trust that the universe will respond to your thoughts, even when you can't see immediate results. One of the most powerful ways to solidify your commitment to noble thoughts is to cultivate a sense of inner peace. When you are at peace with yourself, you are less likely to be affected by external events. You become like a steady anchor in the midst of a storm. This inner peace allows you to keep your thoughts focused on the positive, even when life presents challenges. And as you continue to entertain noble thoughts, that inner peace becomes a constant presence in your life, no matter what's going on around you. In the end, everything starts with the mind. When you entertain noble thoughts, you begin to align yourself with the highest expression of who you are. You begin to embody the qualities you wish to experience in your life, and you begin to attract those experiences into your world. It's not a matter of waiting for something outside of you to change, it's about changing your inner world and watching the outer world follow suit. So, as you move forward in your life, remember the power of your thoughts. Choose wisely, and choose nobly. The thoughts you entertain today will shape the world you experience tomorrow. Your journey toward a brighter future begins with the thoughts you entertain today. So, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and start creating the life you desire. Take action today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.